Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole with garlic using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 lime. Also, have on hand a small onion, a handful of fresh cilantro, and 1 jalapeno for a little kick. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get started. Carefully cut your ripe avocados in half and remove the large pit from the center. Use a spoon to scoop out all the vibrant green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Next, using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired texture. Some prefer it chunky, while others like it smoother. It's all up to you. This is where the magic happens. Add 2 finely minced garlic cloves and the fresh juice from 1 lime to your mashed avocado. Next, fold in your finely chopped onion and the fresh cilantro. If you like a little heat, add your diced jalapeno now. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, ensuring all the flavors meld together beautifully. Your homemade garlic guacamole is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetables, or as a topping for tacos. To keep any leftovers fresh, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface before refrigerating. This prevents browning and keeps it delicious for a day or 2. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.